So you finally decided on that trip on Lake Como. I like your style, but do you know already where to go, or will you follow the normal routes that all the tourists are following and resulting in you finding yourselves packed and stuck in a line for a boat or visiting a town which is way too little to manage than many people that are coming here? So this is why I put together this book, which is a Lake Como photo guide, because I know how much you guys visiting the region want to take nice memories like these ones that has been shot in the castle of Vezio just above Varenna. You might know Varenna, you might go there and stay stuck, while here we have 15 hidden gems on Lake Como you can visit easily. That's also mentioned how to get there and how to take the best shot out of them. Stay tuned, we will see together what contents are in there, and the book is already available on your local Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from One Lens Only, and today, yes, I'm celebrating because you might see I published already a couple of books about photography. This is the art of telling a story with street photography, and most of the pictures here have been taken around the world, but mainly in Vancouver, British Columbia. While here, since I've been living for 2 years in the region of Lake Como, I took the best shot and the best places and a couple of suggestions for a 3-day itinerary if you want to leverage on all the knowledge that's inside this book. And I mentioned one by one 15 beautiful spots that are unknown to the majority of the tourists coming here, because you might know or heard of Bellagio, but maybe you don't know that just across the lake above Varenna there's a castle called Vezio, which has a beautiful view all over Bellagio and all over the lake when the two branches are meeting. And so here in this book I will let you know where to go, what to bring with you, what gear, how to reach each and every place, what is the best time of day and the best season, because maybe you do the whole hike up to the pin umbrella, which is the umbrella tree pine, which is here above the Lake of Como, but then you went there maybe in the wrong hour of the day, and so the sun is not lighting the panorama as it is supposed to do for you to have a great results. And then you know that if you go in the woods, then you will not have enough light to have those brilliant colors. So here it's plenty, it's filled with tips and tricks for you to take the best photos. Now I might want to show you something like Monte Bollettone. You will find some samples here on Amazon. All these itinerary have been visited, personally scouted, and I took the photos. I brought some people there so you can see also how to position the couples, and there are also some tips on how to position yourself, whether you're doing a self-portrait or whether you're having someone shooting for you, or if you are a solo traveler. So finding here 15 hidden gems and all the tips for couples, for solo travelers, how to get there and what to bring, what gear. But guys, I know that when you are traveling you want to be super very light, so I also thought about a few tips when you're shooting with your smartphone. And please don't keep it vertical. I know you consume content in a vertical manner, but take nice landscapes in landscape position with your smartphone. And so if you have any questions about the region, if you need the photography service, if you want to scout these places with me, I might as well organize the trip. So feel free to reach out here on the channel, purchase the book, let me know if you have any other questions to integrate, to do a version 2, or to enlarge and offer more and more places. I will be working on it, so by next year we might have 20-25 hidden gems, and maybe double check all the information that I have placed in here with precise locations before you plan your trip, or get in contact before you plan your trip so we can see and schedule together. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.